Hey guys, Joel at Kooy Brothers here. Today we're talking about the STIHL RMA 510V lithium-ion battery-powered lawnmower. This machine here is a newer version of the prior model, and it features a rear-wheel drive self-propel. This machine here features a 20-inch cut. It's eco-friendly, meaning no gas, very little maintenance to do on the machine. It also has STIHL's 3-in-1 deck system, so you can do side discharge, you can bag it, or you can mulch the grass. It's a very lightweight mower, so you can maneuver it quite easily. It's great for a larger residential property or even lightweight entry-level commercial cutting. One of the cool features it has is you can store 2 batteries on the machine. While it's running, it's utilizing 1 battery, and then when it runs out, you can pop the other battery back in its place. With STIHL's lithium-ion series, there's a variety of different battery options, charger options that can fit your needs based on your workflow during the day. This AP300 battery, for instance, which runs this mower, can also be used on various other products in the STIHL professional lineup, such as chainsaws, line trimmers, and hedge trimmers.